Best Chaise Lounges comparison. Floor Chaise Lounges are increasingly popular for their versatility, comfort, and ability to elevate both small and large living spaces. Whether you're looking for a piece to enhance your gaming setup, a cozy reading nook, or a functional guest bed, list 1. The Max Yo-Yo Folding Sofa Bed is a versatile option that functions as both a sofa and a bed, making it ideal for compact living spaces or guest rooms. Its foldable design is a space saver, and the inclusion of a headrest and lumbar pillow enhances comfort. The shredded foam filling molds to your body for personalized support, while the durable corded fabric adds a touch of sophistication to your room. At $119.99. This product is competitively priced for its functionality and design. During testing, the Max Yo-Yo Folding Sofa Bed impressed with its ergonomic design and durability. The shredded foam filling provided excellent pressure relief, making it suitable for extended use. However, its relatively low height, 15.7 inches, may not suit users seeking a more elevated seating experience. The vacuum-sealed packaging requires up to 48 hours for the product to regain its shape, which could be inconvenient for some buyers. List 2. The Ernadel Indoor Chaise Lounge Sofa offers a compact yet functional design with 14 adjustable angles, making it highly adaptable for various activities like reading, gaming, and napping. Its articulating cushion seat accommodates taller users, while the removable cover simplifies maintenance. At $123.49, this chair delivers solid value for its ergonomic features and versatility. This model excelled in adjustability and ease of storage. The steel frame provided robust support during testing, and the recycled cotton padding offered decent comfort. However, the seat depth of just 3.9 inches may feel restrictive for some users, and its minimalist design lacks armrests, which could limit its appeal for those seeking a more traditional lounge chair experience. List 3. The Snug Sophie Giant Beanbag Chair is the premium option in this lineup, priced at $169.99. It features a single-piece high-density rebound foam filling for superior support and a snow velvet fabric that is soft, durable, and stain-resistant. Its ergonomic design includes a neck pillow and ottoman, making it ideal for extended lounging, reading, or gaming sessions. This chair stood out in terms of comfort and luxury. The high-density foam filling provided excellent elevation and support, eliminating the sink-in feeling common with particle-filled beanbags. The included ottoman added versatility, functioning as both a footrest and an additional seat. However, its larger size may not be suitable for smaller spaces, and the fabric requires careful maintenance to preserve its premium texture. List 4. The Max Yo-Yo Chaise Lounge with Pillow is a budget-friendly option, priced at $109.99. It features an ergonomic design that supports the cervical, lumbar, and sacral spine, making it suitable for prolonged use. The shredded sponge filling offers a cozy, enveloping sensation, while the additional pillow enhances comfort for naps or relaxation. While affordable, this chaise lounge had mixed performance during testing. The shredded sponge filling provided adequate support, but the medium firmness may not appeal to users seeking a softer experience. Additionally, its beige microfiber fabric is prone to staining, and the product's weight, 34.6 pounds, makes it less portable compared to other models. List 5. The Ernadel Floor Chair with Footrest is a versatile option, priced at $149.99, offering 42 adjustable lumbar angles, 14 leg adjustments, and 5 footrest positions. Its foldable design allows for easy storage, and the sponge filling provides decent comfort for activities like gaming, reading, or relaxing. This chair excelled in adjustability, making it one of the most customizable options in the lineup. The foldable design is ideal for small spaces, but the sponge filling lacked the plushness of higher-end models. Additionally, its weight capacity, 15.43 pounds, raised concerns about long-term durability during testing.